Our vehicle wrecked out at Amoco.
Vehicle crashed at Amoco.
What exactly makes someone slam on the gas and drive like a total madman over some store goods? That is the big mystery surrounding Gerald Jenkins, Amanda Wright, and Tiara Gailyard. These three did not just run because they were nervous. They had a very dark reason to stay out of handcuffs at any cost. As Deputy Jackson pulls into the parking lot, he thinks this is just a routine call. But for this crew, it is a desperate fight for freedom. Let us go back to the moment the trap was set.
Come here, Matt. You run, you're in trouble. Run, you get in more trouble. Ho, 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 ho. You try to hit me? Did you just try to hit me? Foxtrot 64, they're taking a 1031 in the white Toyota. Stand by for tag. They just about hit me.
6134, I think I have the vehicle over by BJ's construction site now, heading eastbound. I need you guys to stay off the radio. We're about to go south onto Seminole Woods.
Southbound on 7.
Making a U-turn now, going back towards 100. First character is a Bravo, last is a Sierra. Coming back out on 100, gonna be going east.
Gonna be going east on 100.
Gerald Jenkins is driving like a total madman. He does not care about anyone else on the road. This is the kind of panic you only see when someone has a lot more to lose than just some stolen goods.
Our vehicle wrecked out at Amoco.
Vehicle crashed at Amoco. Vehicle forward Amoco. Give me came out here now.
Shoulder head!
Get on the ground! Lay down on the ground now! On the ground! On the ground! Get down on the ground! Hands behind your back! Hey! I didn't do anything!
Keep coming this way, female. Keep coming towards me. Come towards me. Let me see your hands.
Got it?
Keep coming towards me.
Come on!
Who else is in?
What's that?
I'm gonna call her up to you.
Okay.
Man, keep coming.
Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Put it down. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Shouldn't have ran from me.
The water has settled, and the final tally is in. Inside that partially submerged Toyota, deputies found over $1,800 in stolen goods, including 50 candles from Bath and Body Works. But the real story is in the paperwork. Gerald Jenkins is facing charges for assault on an officer and driving with a suspended license, all while having 3 active warrants for grand theft across Florida. Amanda Wright was already on probation for theft and now faces charges for violating that probation and possessing anti-shoplifting tools. Tiara Gailyard is also looking at grand theft charges and had her own warrant from a neighboring county. What is fascinating here is the total contradiction in their methods. They used professional magnetic tools to bypass security sensors, yet they were foolish enough to think a surgical mask over a license plate would hide them from the law. It shows a dangerous mix of criminal experience and pure desperation. Gerald Jenkins chose to risk the lives of his passengers and every person on that highway just to avoid going back to prison for his past crimes. This raises some serious questions for all of you watching. First, do you think a high-speed chase like this is worth the risk when it is just over $1,800 worth of candles? Or is it more important to stop these career criminals before they hit another town? And second, looking at their history of probation and active warrants, is our justice system doing enough to keep repeat offenders off the streets? Or is it just a revolving door that puts the public in danger? Finally, what do you make of their decision to cover the license plate with a medical mask? It seems like they just handed the police a massive reason to pull them over on a silver platter. Do you think criminals are getting more desperate and making dumber mistakes? Or is this just what happens when people think they are way smarter than the law? Let us know your thoughts on all of these points in the comments section below. We read every single one. If you appreciate this deep dive into the reality of police work, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Blue Line Raw. We truly appreciate you watching and supporting the channel. Take care of yourselves and have a great day.